YouTube. I got this 83, I think it is, K20. Needs a motor. Got one right there. Just slapped a cam in it, some lifters, push rods, things like that. Doing all the gaskets now. The inside, took the bench seat out. It's pretty gnarly. Might use these, don't know. So this is it. I have to put the bed on it. It's just a spare door. It does have transfer case and transmission in it now. So I just need to put the motor in. Right now I have to put the freeze plugs in, and then I can start putting it inside the truck. Going through some paint, gonna paint the engine. The only freaking color I have enough of is black, so that's what it's getting. Got these fresh motor mounts I gotta slap in. Then I got all the transmission bolts right here. Gotta pick this junker up, put it on a cherry picker, finish smacking in these rear freeze plugs because I couldn't reach them. Put the freaking flywheel on, start shoving it in here. Project paused. Almost had it in. Had one side freaking bolt in. The other side, it's about 3/4 inch out to an inch from being lined up. No matter what, it won't go there. So these are C10 mounts. This is a K20. So K series mounts are different, 4-wheel drive mounts. Alright, while I wait for motor mounts for this thing, I'm gonna go work on the golf cart a little bit. Got this freaking golf cart. It's all electric right now. The motor. There's a freaking charger all hooked up in here and everything. But I'm gonna rip all these electronics out, then go scoop up a motor from Harbor Freight, shove it in here. Here it is so far. Got all this freaking wiring just dangling. I need to pull these wires out and go to the motor. All this room for activity though, tons of it.
Jennifer, I haven't even had a chance to say hi.
Woo! What's on fire up here? Oh, just someone burning some shit in the alley. It's freaking all raining out here, so gonna do inside stuff. Like unbox this freaking engine. Not raining. I have about a half hour before work. I'm gonna try to get these two junkers out of here. Oh my god. Fuck. This box, it's like welded to the freaking frame, but bolted down there. Check out this freaking garlic plant though. Alright. There's that crap. So now, to pull this wiring out, there's the 4 main engine wires. Go through this little hole and it's riveted right there. Just cut those 2 rivets with a grinder. Fucking this thing's coming out. Damn, all that junk. That's a lot of junk. There's a charger mounted in the dash. Doing a little mock-up with this thing. Sitting in there pretty good. I'm gonna move this ignition box up there, so this isn't gonna matter here. On this side, got a decent amount of room. Well, I guess that's the end of this one for now. I'm waiting on motor mounts still for the K20. Also, this thing needs a freaking clutch, and I have to jack with this. So, see you soon enough. Thanks for watching.